Doug Doug. Hello Doug Doug. Where's little Belle? Hello little Belle. Summer house, pretty obviously. Somewhere in there. There you go. This is the summer house. And newly acquired Garden Spring, June 2015. Dogs rattling around. 7-foot delphiniums. Tree with a little wren nest in it, or some sort of small tit birds which have just flown. There you have it, the back garden. There's a pond. There's a fish. Can't see the fish at the moment. Around the side we have Linny's herb garden, and then we go through the side gate. So the front's the house. A fig tree growing there in the corner. Dogs running free. Newly planted little tree there. Dogs at the gate as usual, looking for other dogs to bark at. Yes. And that's the view from the house. And that's it.